Hello my friends, welcome again. In this video I'm going to install the fresh Laravel application and I'm going to add the reactjs to the application. Because someone commented to me and said how he can add the React to the Laravel application. Okay, I am in the laravel.com website and here we have the installation. And if we have the Docker desktop, we can run this command to create a new Laravel application. It's the same for the Windows, and on Linux is the same. Or if you want to install with Composer, run the Composer create project Laravel and give it the name if you want. Or in my case, I have installed the Laravel installer, and I'm going to run this Laravel new and the name of our application. Okay, so I am in the directory where I want to install the Laravel application. If I hit, we have only one application here, and I'm going to create new one, Laravel new, and I'm going to call it Laravel React, and it is going to create a Laravel project at the Laravel React directory. Okay, and here it is. The application created successfully and application is ready. So if I go now cd in the Laravel React, and if we create new tab with a Laravel React test, here is our application. And to demonstrate to you we are in this application, I'm going to make a change, but first we need to open with a PHP Storm, and I'm going to remove all of that and just add the H1 to see what this is our application. Okay, so we are in the welcome blade here, and I'm going to remove all here. I'm going to remove the styles here and add the H1. Welcome to the Laravel React application, and come here, refresh. Yeah, here is our application. Now how we can add the React to our application? We can run the Composer require and Laravel UI. Yeah, and after that we need to run the PHP artisan UI, and in our case we need the React, so we add the React, and it said please run the npm run dev, install an npm run dev. Okay, run this one, and it's going to install the npm dependencies here. Okay, yeah, here we are. And we have an error, please run mix again. So I'm going to run the npm run dev again, and now it's going to build the application. Okay, and now if we open the resources.js, we have the app.js, and here we require the bootstrap and the components example component. I'm going to remove this because we don't need that one. So we require the components and the example components, and here we have the example components, and this is the example React component. We import the React here and React DOM, and we create the function example which we export here, and here if we get the element by the example, the React DOM is going to render the example here. Okay, so we need to do is to go to the welcome blade, and I'm going to add here the div with ID example, and after that we need to add the script mix js app.js. Okay, and in the webpack mix.js, so here we create a new, the source is this one, app.js here, and we output the new file js here in the public js files here. Okay, so we are going to create a new file with this one. Okay, and run again the npm run dev. If I refresh, we need to have example here. We have a typo here, so example, and I refresh again. Yeah, here is our example component, and if I made the change to the component, so yeah, I'm going to say Laravel React, and I am on a React component down there. Okay, run the npm run dev again because we made the change here. And yeah, we refresh now, and we have the change Laravel React, and I'm a React component. This is how we can add the reactjs in our Laravel application. If you like, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share with your friends. I hope you enjoy, and thank you very much.